John McKeag with Liberty Aid Academy, and this is going to be about a little video explaining the freshman orientation. Okay, this is fantastic, right? You get in here, and you learn about. Oh, okay. Uh, Basically, it orients you to this trust and the information in a way that makes it really easy for you. You click on this and you get a 30-day email. Okay, it's like for 30 days, one per day, one email per day. All right, getting you oriented to this information. Anyone could do this. All right, I would recommend this for anyone interested in this trust in any way, shape, or form. This would be probably the first thing I would do with anything. It's free, okay? I would just click on this, get signed up, and get this information. Then it'd be like, oh, okay, I totally get this, all right? All right. Get in the freshman orientation, get oriented to this trust, this school, learn the basics in a way that's free. I look forward to helping you.